Happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 17th, and let's start with reviewing our personification practice from yesterday. Again, personification, giving human traits or qualities to objects such as thinking, feeling. Okay, so number 1, the soft chair wrapped its padded arms around Lisa. Okay, yes, technically chairs do have arms. That's what those are called. But a chair can't move. A chair can't wrap itself. So this is personification. Okay. Number 2, the wind blew steadily for 3 days before the hurricane reached the shore. The wind blew steady 3 days. There is nothing in there that is personification, so number 2 is none. Number 3, as we dragged the table across the room, deep scratches appeared on the floor. You're dragging a table, scratches appear, none. That is all accurate. Nothing in there is personification. Number 4, let's take a look at number 4. It says, the eyes of the lady's portrait follow Jean around the room, waiting for a misdeed. All right, a portrait is like a painting or a picture, and eyes can't move in pictures. Those are fixed. So that is personification, because eyes physically from a portrait, from a picture, from a painting cannot move. Okay, so those are your answers from the practice, the personification practice. Okay. Today we have personification assignment. It's going to be very similar to the practice, except this time you just have to choose. Okay, so it is, does the sentence have personification or not? If it does have personification, you'll click personification. If it does not, you'll click none. Okay, so don't forget personification, giving human traits or characteristics to objects. Okay, so which of those have personification, which do not? 5 sentences, choose the right one. When you're done, click submit. Okay, and our chapter for today, it looks different. This is material, not assignment, because there are no questions today. It's just the chapter, and also you need to read it. I did not record it today. It is only 4 pages. So you are going to read it just like we would do in class, guys, right? Sometimes I read it, sometimes you read it. Just wish we could read in groups. Anyway, so chapter 7 is what you are reading today, and there will be assignment on Monday, so do make sure you read chapter 7. All right, guys? I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe, and I will talk to you guys Monday. Bye.